Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about why JavaScript is the future of DSA. Today, we build your lab. If your tools are inefficient, your learning slows down. Coding works exactly the same way. If your environment is slow or poorly configured, your progress is slow. Today, we are selecting the core components of a professional engineering environment: Node.js, VS Code, and a secret weapon called Quokka.js. By the end of this video, you won't just have a text editor. You will have a high resolution window into how your code actually thinks. First, we need the engine. As we discussed, the V8 engine is the heart of JavaScript performance. To harness that power on your machine outside of a browser, we need Node.js. Open your browser, type nodejs.org, click on Get Node.js. You will be faced with a choice: the LTS version or the current version. As engineers, we prioritize stability over experimental features. You want the LTS, long-term support version. Look for the large green button on the left. Click it, download the installer, and run through the defaults. Why this version? Because it ensures that the DSA algorithms that we write today won't break due to an unstable update tomorrow. It is your reliable workhorse. Once installed, open your terminal and type node space -v and click on enter. If a version number pops up, your engine is live. Your computer is now a JavaScript powerhouse. Next, we need the editor. Go to code.visualstudio.com and hit that big download button. Visual Studio Code is the industry standard. It's lightweight but incredibly extensible. Now go ahead and install it. Once you open it, look at the vertical strip on the far left. This is your activity bar. To make this a master's level setup, we need extensions. Click the icon that looks like four squares. That's the extensions icon. In the search bar that appears, you're going to find and install the essentials. Here are some extensions that you may install. ESLint, your real-time proofreader. It catches syntax errors before you even hit run. Prettier. This ensures your code is formatted to professional standards automatically. Bracket colorizers, essential for DSA. When we need to get into complex code, you need to see exactly where your code block starts and ends. This gives you color-coded clarity. Now, for my favorite tool, Quokka.js. Search for Quokka in that same extensions view and hit install. In a standard setup, you write code, save it, and switch to the terminal and run it. That's a slow feedback loop. Quokka is a live scratchpad that gives you instant feedback. To use it, you need to learn your first pro shortcut: Control plus Shift plus P, or Command Shift P if you're on Mac. This opens the command palette, the search bar for all VS Code commands. Type Quokka and select Start on current file. Suddenly, if you type const x equals 10 plus 20 semicolon, Quokka will display 30 right next to your code. Isn't it amazing? It eliminates the guesswork and lets you see the pulse of your program in real time. It's okay if this feels confusing right now. Today is about setting things up, not mastering the code. Right now, just observe. Think of this as a preview. You'll fully understand it once we start learning the basics. This is where we separate amateurs from engineers. Most beginners rely on console.log to see what's happening. We are going to use the debugger. VS Code has Node.js debugging built in. To access it, click the Run and Debug icon on the activity bar. It looks like a small play button with a small bug on it. But before we run it, we need to set a breakpoint. Look at the line numbers on the left of your code. If you click just to the left of a number, a red dot appears. That is your pause button. Click Create a launch.json file and select Node.js. Now, when you hit the big Run and Debug button at the top left, the program will execute and then freeze at that dot. Once paused, your left panel becomes a command center. We have variables pane, which see every piece of data in memory. You'll see values and types change live. We have watch window. You can drag specific variables here to keep a constant eye on them. We have call stack. This is your map. It shows the path the program took to get to this exact line. At the top, we have the navigation toolbar, which has continue, the play button, which jumps to the next breakpoint. We have step over, which moves to the next line. We have step into, the down arrow. It types inside a function to see the gears turning. We have step out, the up arrow. This zooms back out to the main logic. Your lab is ready. Let's do a final check. Your practical task. Create a new folder. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting New Folder. Open the folder in VS Code. You can do this by either right-clicking the folder and choosing Open with Code, or open VS Code and select File and then Open Folder, or open the command prompt in the folder, type cmd in the address bar and then run code space dot and click on Enter. Then create your first file in VS Code. Click on the new file, name it correctly. I am naming this test.js. The .js extension is important. This tells the computer that this is a JavaScript file. Const space greeting equals, and within quotations, lab ready, semicolon. And on the next line, console.log, and within parentheses, greeting, semicolon. Now debug it. Set a breakpoint on the first line. Click the Run and Debug icon. Click Run and Debug. Use the Step Over button to see the greeting variable appear in the Variables panel. If you hit any snags, drop a comment. In the next video, we write our first official program and master input and output. Don't forget to subscribe to follow this 100 video journey. I am Amlan Pati. Welcome to the masterclass. I'll see you in the next one.